Hi there, it's Michelle Taberge. I got a little box of goodies to give away. So here's what I got and I'll tell you how you can win it. So first of all, I talk about these on a lot of my videos. I have canvas boards. They are so useful. Not only are they good painting surfaces, especially if you're on a budget and you're trying to paint a lot, but they're also great for little samples. If you watch my varnishing video, I talk about doing little swatches on them so that you can practice varnishing on one of these rather than on your actual painting first. But they're just great for collage, for painting, for mixed media, whatever. So I'm gonna call this kind of my collage mixed media box. So I have some of these wonderful Winsor & Newton watercolor markers here. And what's cool about them is they have two ends. They have a tip like that, and then they have a brush tip. And they blend, so you can blend them a little like watercolors. They're a great sort of portable, on-the-go sketching thing if you're doing like a trip and you want to just take something lightweight and easy and you don't want to have water and rags and palettes and all that kind of stuff in a bunch of different colors. You can just take a few of these markers and work in a sketchbook and just have a lot of fun with color. So I've got those. Then I've talked about these a lot in my videos, and these are the Liquitex acrylic inks. I love them. They're super pigmented, but they're super fluid. So you can use them with a pen, you can use them with a brush, you can mix them with acrylics, you can mix them with acrylic mediums, you can use them in so many different ways. So definitely refer to my videos. I have over 200 videos, so just go in there, Michelle Taberge on YouTube, type in the search bar acrylic inks, and you will get some different ideas for using these. So we've got kind of a nice little primary palette. We've got sort of a magenta-y red and then more of an opaque red. This is vivid red orange. And cadmium yellow light hue. And one of my favorites, all-time favorites, is Phthalocyannie blue. So it's like a nice little palette there of colors. Then we've got these. These are the little kind of watercolor sticks from Winsor & Newton. Also super cool and portable, so you could take these also on a trip. Instead of having the tubes of paint, you can do drawing with them like a pastel, but you can also take a brush, wet it, and blend them so that they're like a watercolor. So super fun. I've got 2 boxes of those and different colors for you, so that's 8 in total. Oh my gosh, what a fun kit. And then we have a very exclusive item, cannot be purchased in any store, and this is one of my own handmade collage packs. So I have in here some different vintage images that I've collected, like I go to a lot of flea markets and stuff, but then also some origami papers, some handmade papers, some what do you call it, like Xerox cool things, just a bunch of, I actually made these papers by hand some years ago. These are things direct from my own collage drawer. This is a monoprint of my own that I cut up. I've posted the actual monoprint on Instagram, some beautiful origami papers. So you can have fun with that. And then there's another big canvas board. So if you would like to win this, here's what I'd like from you. I want you guys to tell me, what's one of your favorite videos that I've made? What is one of the videos that maybe you've watched again and again, or learned something that you never knew before? You can list more than one, of course, but put a link in your comment below. And also please be subscribed, because that is what really helps this channel. I love sharing info with artists. I want to get the word out about quality art techniques, materials, and how to get the most out of your art materials. But also, you guys know me because I talk about sort of the deeper inner life of the creative person and what it's like to sustain a creative practice, how you deal with sort of those inner negative voices and things like that. If you want to know more about that, you can also go to my website, themindfulartist.com. So we will do a random drawing on this, And I'll post more details below when it closes and all that. And we'll put that on the title of the video when it's closed, so you won't be trying to enter. There's going to be another one with another question because I got another box of goodies to give away. All right, thanks for watching. Quick pause here to give you the terms and conditions of this giveaway. The end date is here. You must be 18 years or older to enter. And we're happy to ship worldwide as long as your country permits giveaways. If not, just know that it would be void. Your entry would not be eligible. We're only collecting the information, your details, for the purpose of the contest, no other purpose. We will not be contacting you in any other way. The way we're gonna pick is a random YouTube comment picker, so it'll be completely random. And then we'll contact that winner through Instagram, only from my official @michelletheberge.com. You will not receive anything from, and do not give your details, your personal information to anyone else. I will only be contacting that one winner through Instagram, okay? And it'll be, we'll give you 72 hours to respond to the DM. So check your direct messages, make sure you mark your calendar for that date so you look and you'll be able to know if you won or not. And just know that whether you win or not, good things are always coming to you every day. Have a good one.